This is the great innovative event where you can find all the kind of solution. Either it would be packaging, raw material sourcing, end-to-end complete solution for the new launch brand.
It's a platform just for the contract manufacturing and not other things like other exhibition. It's just focused on one thing and it's doing that well.
So every time there is something new from CMPL, so that is a very good thing.
Come on,